Ciao picciotte e picciotti! Be careful, Gianca!
Good morning, guys.
Happy to see you again.
Today we want to introduce you the queen of the Sicilian culinary tradition. The special eggplant, the special Tunisian eggplant. We call it melanzana tunisina in Sicily. Of course, it is not Tunisian. It doesn't come from Tunisia, but it's one of the most popular food in Sicily. And now Rosella will talk about one of the most traditional dishes based on the eggplant. Rosella, you're the owner of this live stream.
I'm trying to do my best, so please forgive me. I'm not a professional chef. I would remember you that I am a travel consultant, so I have a different job, and this is not my job, so I will try to do the best. So we are going to prepare together the breaded cutlet eggplants. And what do you need to make this Sicilian dish? So you need breadcrumb, you need flour, you need eggs, of course eggplants, and mint, of course olive oil and salt. But first of all, you need to start with the cutting of the eggplant, and you have to try, this is one of the most difficult things to do for me. You have to try to get a regular shape like this, so not too large,
not too thin.
Yes, and the most important thing is it could be regular as much as you can, guys. Then you need a colander, and maybe I don't remember exactly the name, but it's a colander.
Yeah, we use it for during the pasta making.
Yeah. So after you have cut it the eggplant into slice, you have to sparkle them
Sprinkle
them with salt, and you can put in a colander for at least 1 hour to remove the bitter flour. Then you need to wash and let them dry for another hour.
So Rosella, please say it again, because this is one of the secrets of the Sicilian cuisine. When we use eggplants,
yeah,
we put salt, we sprinkle the eggplants with salt.
Yes.
Why? In order to
remove the bitter flour.
Okay.
And then of course you need to wash, because it could be too salty, so you need to wash, and then you need to dry them like this way for at least 1 hour. And so let's start with the eggs. I'm not sure if I can do this well, but I will try. Let me take off this. So the first one, the second one, and the third.
Well done.
It's a good starting point. So you need to cut the mint very small pieces like this. in this step, you don't need to put the salt into the egg. Why, guys? Because the salt can be dangerous for your breaded. So to avoid that the breading comes off, you need to put the salt at the end. So no salt in this moment. You understand me, Gianca?
No. I'm not sure.
Try to say.
No, okay. I understood that you don't put salt.
Why?
Because you can damage the bread, the breadcrumb.
The breading.
The breading.
Yes.
What's the breading?
We call panatura.
Ah, okay.
And this.
So the breading, guys, is the result of the breadcrumb.
This is a double. I want to say this is a double breading, Gianca.
Okay, but I was trying to explain to myself, because I'm not an expert. I don't cook, so I'm trying to explain to myself what's the meaning of breading. Breading means put the breadcrumb into the, or upon the, you can put into the meat, or in this case into the eggplants. Where is Rosella?
I'm here.
Oh, Rosella is running. Eccola qua. Here she comes.
Then you have to mix.
So what did you put? Eggs,
And
mint,
and nothing else.
and nothing else. So at this
If
moment,
yes, if you want, there is another receipt where you can have a cheese, a mixed cheese.
yeah. For example, pecorino cheese or parmigiano, grana padano.
Okay. And now it's the time to make the breading. We start from the flour, and you need to press. So the double breading is to obtain a crispy eggplants. We call melanzana cotoletta, right, Gianca?
You're right.
And you guys have to know that is one of the favorite Gianca's dish.
Yeah. I go crazy, guys. This is one of my favorite Sicilian dishes.
So first step into the flour. Second step here into the egg. I try to do my best for you, Gianca, because I know that your mother
He's better than you.
yes, makes this dish in a fabulous way.
Yeah, this is one of my mother's masterpieces. Caponata and breaded eggplants, breaded cuttled eggplants. Yeah. Cotolette di melanzane. My mother is very good to make these dishes.
This will be our lunch.
No.
For me.
I had the lunch.
Yeah.
Rosella is following a diet, so she doesn't eat anything. Just a couple of eggplant cutlets. Cutlets, eggplants.
Yes, breaded cutlet eggplant. There are friends of mine that are watching us.
A lot of friends.
How many?
At the moment, about 60 persons.
Okay.
Oh, Nina Coniglio. Just let me read Rosella some comments.
Yeah.
Nina Coniglio says his Sorry, I can see. Oh, Nina Coniglio's mother, who's 94 years old, is also a great cook. Nina, does your mother cook cutlet eggplants?
Guys, don't forget to share this live streaming. Don't forget to invite your friends to follow us. And don't forget to what, Janka?
I don't know.
To subscribe our YouTube channel.
I can't read your mind, Rosella. Hello, Susan, my cousin. Oh, guys, you're writing too fast, too quickly. I can't read your comments.
It's not easy, Janka.
Susan says she uses mint or mint also.
Oh.
Not many of my friends or family ever use mint in their savory dishes. Yummy eggplants. I made breaded eggplants this week.
Wow. I think this is also a famous dish in the States and in Canada, because there are a lot of people from Sicily.
Of Sicilian origin, yeah, sure. This is one of the most famous, most popular dishes in South Italy, not only in Sicily. In the area of Naples, in Apulia, they also make the how do you say, cuttled breaded eggplants.
Yeah. In few days there will be your day, Janka. You know.
It's still a distant day for me, so I'm not worried.
You need to learn.
Perhaps that day will never arrive.
It's not true. You know.
Guys, I only make 2 or 3 dishes. So if I'm able to cook a simple pasta dish, I am okay. I can survive. So I don't need to be a cook. Rosella, think about it.
I think that we can go to fry them.
Yeah.
I can continue later.
Yeah.
So welcome again to our kitchen. I need to put my apron because I'm going to fry. So I have to be careful.
I use the tripod.
Yeah?
I try. Oh. All right. Okay. And now this.
You can come closer.
Yeah, sure.
Me? I'm wrong. Okay. Okay, I put olive oil in my pan.
Show the bottle. What are you
Just a
using?
moment.
What are you using?
I'm using the olive oil, even if a lot of professional chefs say that it's too heavy to fry food. But since I want to respect my grandmother recipe, I use olive oil. You need to wait 3 minutes, 2 minutes to get the temperature. You can come with me, Gianca.
I'm shy. Today I'm very shy because how can I say? This is not the right position for me. So I'm just a watcher today. Rosella, say something about the Mediterranean diet. Because I was thinking about...
This is one of the most healthy.
I realized only now that Nina Coniglio said that her mother is 94 years old.
Wow.
So perhaps, Nina, we have the secret to stay healthy. So this is the secret, the healthy Mediterranean food. Now, I don't know if you already know it. Mediterranean diet belongs to the UNESCO World Heritage Immaterial, non-material list. So they award not only the best places, but also the culinary traditions. And the Mediterranean diet belongs to UNESCO as well, as one of the healthiest diets in the world.
And this is one of the reason to come to Sicily, because in Sicily you can find a lot of organic food, fresh fish, and so this is one of the reason to come to Sicily.
And let me say something. If you are vegetarian,
Yeah, this is
Sicily could be your perfect destination, because we have a lot of excellent recipes based on vegetables. So if you don't eat any meat, you can have a great choice. We can cook I don't know, hundreds of different dishes only using the best Sicilian vegetables. And of course, I say again, the eggplant for me is the queen of the Sicilian cuisine.
I need to change my fire because it's too strong. It's time to turn. Wow, my breading resists. This is one of the most difficult thing to do because sometimes the breading comes off. And so I'm very proud.
And why does it happen? Which is the reason why it...
It could be because the eggplant could be too heavy in water, so it's not dried in a good way, in the right way. Or also,
did you prepare the eggplants before cooking?
Yes.
What did you do?
I put the salt up the eggplants and I let them rest for at least 1 hour, just to remove the bitter flavors and also to remove the water in eccesso.
So to dry the
Yes,
the eggplant.
also.
Okay.
And another secret, as I told you, is to put the salt only at the end of the frying step, because the eggplant had already get the salt during the hour of rest.
So what happened if you put salt also before?
During the
frying.
During the fry, your breading could come off.
Ah, okay.
Almost ready.
When you're ready, I think you should go outside.
Yes.
And show our friends the result. But I mean inside. So you should cut one eggplant
okay.
and show how the eggplant is inside. Did you turn it off?
Yes, we can do outside.
Okay, I follow you. Wow.
Oh, I forgot the salt, Gianca. I said to put the salt at the end, I forgot.
So guys, as you can see, we are not professionals. We do our best to share with you the best of Sicily. Best of Sicily means not only best places to visit, but also our wonderful culinary tradition. Today Rosella made Rosella breaded, cuttled eggplants.
Yes.
So guys, we are a tour company. We own a tour company, but in this crazy lockdown, we are trying to do our best to give you, to bring at your house a piece of Sicily, a little piece of Sicily. Waiting, of course, that this crazy situation will be over and you will be able to come here. Sorry, Rosella, you are the queen of the live broadcast. So I show you.
Are you ready to test, Gianca?
I can hear the good not noise. I mean the how do you say? I can hear that eggplants are crunchy.
Yeah.
Crispy. So very, very good outside and very soft inside. That's the secret.
Look at the crunchy, at the crispy part.
Yeah.
This is a double breading. I want to try, Gianca.
Where are you? Show the eggplant. I only see paper. Okay. Wow. Wow. How is it?
Very hot.
Very hot.
But good.
She can't talk anymore. She's losing the faculty of speaking.
Maybe it's better for you, Gianca.
Ah, that's my opportunity
You could be happy.
to be safe, to be quiet. So let me check all the comments. Oh, how many comments?
Come with me this way, Gianca. Switch and come with me so we can check together, because I can see that you have not your glasses, so you are not able to read. To be honest, I know.
Okay.
Wow, a lot of people. 80. Oh, thank you.
Where is the beautiful Mediterranean Sea behind us? I need it. I need to see it. So guys.
So forgive me, because I'm not a professional chef. I'm not a food blogger. I'm only a travel consultant. As Gianca told you, we are trying to bring Sicily in your house, and so we hope you enjoyed our live broadcast. I want to say it again, because there are a lot of new friends in this big family, that this is not a recorded video. This is a live broadcast. And this is important, Gianca.
And we will include this video in our YouTube channel as well. So you can see this live broadcast in the next days if you want. And you can try to make eggplants as Rosella did today.
And if you love Sicily, don't forget to invite your friends and to share, to invite your friends to like our Facebook page. The name is Best Things to Do in Sicily. And also to share this live streaming. And we will thank you.
But Rosella, you should read the comments.
Yes, I can. I have to start from the beginning?
No, there are many comments.
Oh,
so
I just want to say...
Just look at some questions. Perhaps
Yes.
there are questions and I can see it. Guys, I'm blind. This is the,
Pasta alla
the
norma.
result of my
Someone-
45 years.
Someone asked how to make pasta alla norma.
Oh, this is
I will do when I can go out, because Maria, our
Professional
housewife. This is a professional housewife.
She's our best cook in Sicily, we can say it.
And she can teach you how to make fresh pasta, and also how to make fresh pasta alla norma. So,
But who's Maria? Let's say, because some people don't know Maria. So Maria is a very nice lady. She lives in Caccamo, about 40 minutes far from Palermo, and we used to involve Maria in our private tours of Sicily, because she makes wonderful cookery lessons, wonderful cooking classes to our clients, and so she's the best person to who can make the eggplant pasta alla norma. So the pasta alla norma for the other friends is the most famous pasta dish in Sicily, made with eggplants.
And pasta alla norma is one of the dishes that our clients used to make with Maria during this culinary experience, because it's not a simple cooking class.
Yeah.
This is a culinary experience, because you will test more than 20 different dishes.
Yeah.
To enjoy yourself to the fullest, because here in Sicily, you can enjoy yourself to the fullest. Sicily is beautiful, and me and Gianca wait for you to gift you a dream vacation of a lifetime.
So Rosella,
Let's
please,
go on with the other comments.
can you take it?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me check the comments.
Okay.
I can reply to the comment. Wow, my Sicilian mom lived to 101.
Wow.
Wow. Yes, it
And
was
swore it was the olive oil that
yes, that
kept her healthy. I can read, but I agree with you perfectly.
Yes.
Yeah, this is our secret, guys.
Do you grow your own eggplant? Not yet,
Not
Susan.
yet, but in
2 months?
we hope in few weeks. Let's go to
To the garden.
yeah. Let's go and show our friends
Let's check your garden.
what has happened at my garden now. I follow you.
And for the new friends, if you have not seen the live streaming, or the live streaming, you can check the previous live broadcast, because Gianca did a beautiful job with the garden. He spent at least 2 hours gardening.
So Rosella,
Let's go, Gianca. Let's see if maybe some eggplant is ready.
I don't think so.
I-
Wow.
So this is an eggplant.
Yeah.
This is pepper. And
I have some tomato.
tomato over there.
Yeah. So
Where is the tinirumi?
this is tomato, guys. They are eggplants. And the tenerumi is on your
Here.
right.
Also here. And here.
These are zucchini, tenerumi, Sicilian zucchini.
And here we have the onion.
Red onions.
Oh, this is a perfect
Oh,
view.
so
to
look
say.
at the roof of the, how do you say pergolato? Last time we made the live broadcast.
Broadcast.
It was completely dry. Now it blooms and is becoming wonderful. So where are you, Rosella?
I'm here because the view is beautiful. You can share.
Yeah.
We are trying to improve our skills. As you know, guys, I'm improving my cooking skill. Gianca is improving different skills. Singing, playing the guitar, and gardening. Look at this beautiful cactus. This is a symbol of Sicily. I'm hungry, Gianca.
You should take the opportunity to enjoy your eggplants.
Let me check. Now is.
How is it? I wanna take it. Oh wow! Please, can you switch it?
This way, Gianca.
Switch it, please.
How is?
Rosella, this is surprising me. I don't know why.
I have a lot of surprises for you, Gianca, and you don't know.
I didn't expect it from Rosella. So you can
I can change my job.
you can challenge Maria, also my mother.
Thank you.
I didn't expect it, guys. I'm not joking. She made a great job. Very, very good. A lot of comments.
A lot of comments, a lot of people are watching us. And guys, you are wonderful. You recharge our soul. We can feel your positive vibes. And this is wonderful because you give us the power to go on. Because you know, for us, it's very hard.
It's a very difficult moment, not only for us, but for
All the travel industry.
the entire travel industry, tourism industry, because everything is now stopped. Nothing works now. Not only the foreign people, but also the Italian people can travel, and so we don't know when we can start again our business. So we try to do our best to do something different now.
Yeah.
To promote Sicily in a different way, but it's also the most traditional Sicily. We are not inventing stupid things. We always show you the most traditional things about our beloved island. That's the most important thing for us.
This is our mission. We want to share the beauties of Sicily with the world. And also we are very happy when you can feel and you can have a deep connection with this land, because we want to provide you a different kind of travel experience.
A relational, emotional experience. So we try to stand up of the crowd and to do things in a different way.
Yeah. And so you can absorb the true Sicilian atmosphere, living, eating, and doing what Sicilian people do.
And if you are lucky to enjoy the dish that Rosella made today, you are, I do say, at cloud 9. We say al settimo cielo. I think you say cloud 9. So
someone told
in the paradise.
Marlene something to die for.
Something to die for, yeah. Marlene, perhaps now you are following us. A big kiss from Sicily.
Thank you for your suggestion. We have a lot of friends are teaching us English.
Yeah. And of course, thank you, Frank and Anthony Ragusa. You're the best one.
Also Joe and Dorothy Mastropalo, because they are sharing our live stream. They are inviting all their friends. So thank you again.
Last time we forgot to mention Katie Romano.
Yes.
As our, I just say, it was one of our clients who had to come to Sicily in 2020. So Katie, don't worry. Your trip is just postponed to another year, and so we look forward to meeting you.
Yeah. So guys,
let's say hello.
Thank you again for your support, and I want to ask something. If each one of you could invite at least one friend, we could another important goal.
Yeah.
So please.
Which your target? Your goal.
15,000 is my next goal.
So guys, thank you for your support. We had the opportunity to get 11,000 followers, 10,000 likes, and more than 11,000 followers. Now we are pointing to the next goal.
So help us.
Rosella wants 15 followers. I would like, to be honest, to have some more followers on our YouTube channel, because it's a little baby now, and we have only few hundreds of followers on YouTube. And you never know, because now Facebook is very popular, but we are afraid that if something goes wrong to Mr. Zuckerberg, we could lose everything. So we would like to have a different business also in YouTube, and to be ready to reach many people in the world. Many people, for example, don't use Facebook. Many people don't use YouTube, and they only use Instagram. So we have to be able to have different channels.
So follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest.
Yeah, also Pinterest.
We are everywhere.
So guys, thank you again for watching us. See you the next one, perhaps with another spectacular Sicilian dish. I don't know what. I don't know what Rosella will prepare for you.
I'm studying.
But I have to say that I am very proud to have Rosella as my I cannot say.
Thank you, Gianca. You are
as my cook,
so sweet.
As my personal cook. It's a pity I can have the opportunity to have my mother or Maria, for example, now, and I have to be patient with Rosella. But Rosella made a great job today. The eggplants are delicious.
So let's get a try at your home.
You can try by yourself.
And share your picture.
Share the result of your cooking experience.
So, see you soon. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Ciao a tutti!
We love you!
Ciao.